Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I will show you how to put the device into the download mode. So, to get started, let's power off the device and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and in the meantime you can get the cable that you use for charging and plug it into your computer. So once you have that ready, you can then begin holding volume up on your phone, and while holding volume up you want to plug it in. Shortly after we should be in the recovery mode with an additional option being present. There we go, so you can let go now, and I'm gonna unplug it. So as you can see, now we can tap on download latest version, download and recovery. It will start looking for Wi-Fi. Actually, I might want to connect the phone considering it has only 14%, so it doesn't die in the process. So let's just do that quickly. Just catch the cable, there we go. So from here, let's just connect to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna put in the password now. Connect. And from here, everything will be automated. So till the device reboots, and as you can see, the process is now finished. So that is basically how you would put your device into download mode, and well, it boots out of it itself, so not really anything extra to it. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.